G'day everyone, Scotty here, back with another video. This is the third video in a little series I'm doing on alternative recovery methods, whatever. So this time, I've used this one quite a few times myself, and I'm sure other people have as well. Ratchet straps. Can you use ratchet straps as a winch? No, of course you can. How do you do it, and how much pull do you get? Well, we've got a load cell here, and we've got a little screen just here that's going to tell you and me how much load I can pull with these two little ratchet straps. They're rated at 2.5 ton tie down. That's the weight of your load. That doesn't necessarily mean that's how much pull you get with the thing. So with a load cell here, we're going to find out. Now, as I say, this is video number 3. If you missed the other 2, we'll link up here or here somewhere for those videos. Check them out as well. We're doing a Spanish windlass and a flip-flop winch. Pretty weird. Anyway, this is number 3. Check this out. Let's see how we go. Right, just to show you what we've got going on here, how you set it up. Imagine your vehicle is bogged or whatever it is. So I'm just attached to a tree here. Obviously a load cell, but you might be a bogged vehicle or a pallet of something, or something you want to drag across the ground, your trailer or whatever, I don't know. Could be anything that you want to drag that you want to use a winch for. Well, this is one method you can use. So basically you need 2 ratchet straps. You can't just do it with one. With one you only get to pull it in, like, I don't know, maybe 10 to 15 centimeters, and that's it. So then you've got to switch to the other one. That's why we have 2. Right, the other end is anchored off to a tree or to another vehicle or whatever anchor you've got. You could dig a hole and put a spare tyre in there, who knows. Whatever you want to do as an anchor, but you need 2 ratchet straps, right? They're both hooked on here together. I've just got a slip variant bow line here. I love my bow lines. Easy to undo no matter how much load I put on. So yeah, right, it's pretty basic setup. So we'll get into it and see how much we can pull. Alright, let's get this baby turned on here. Make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. I'll zero this. Now, this load cell, it's rated for 50 ton. We're not going anywhere near 50 ton today, but it gives us increments of 10 kilograms, so that'll give us a fair indication. It's pretty accurate. So we'll have a crack at it and see how we go, and compare our results with the last 2 efforts. Anyway, let's do it. Now, if you haven't seen my other video on how to use ratchet straps, you need to go and watch that. I might put a link up in the corner of the screen again for that. There's a right way and a wrong way. There's a hard way, and then there's the right way. That's better. So we've got one ratchet strap hooked up. I'll just feed the other one in as well. Right. Yeah, I'll just start with this one. I'll pull out as much slack as I can and start ratcheting. Yeah, start to take up tension. I'm going to make sure my other ratchet doesn't pop out of there, otherwise I might not be able to get it back in. How much load have we got so far? I'm curious. Now see how I'm building up a fair bit of strap around here. That's reducing my leverage. Kind of like a winch drum. When it's on its outer layers, you get less pull with your winch. You get max pull on the bottom layer. So anyway, we've done as much as we can with one winch. Let's call it a winch at the moment. So now we get the next one now. Take up all this slack, and again we start winching. Now you should see the first one start going slack. Bit of slack in the first one. Let me just have a look at the screen and see how we're going. What have we had so far? Oh, we're only at half a ton. 2.5 ton ratchet straps. Fair bit of effort. Only at half a ton. Let's see if we can get it up there. Whew. So I'll pop off the first ratchet strap. So see how much we gained. Yeah, your hands are going to be stuffed by the time you winch your vehicle a few metres with this thing. Whew. That's a lot of effort. That one's slack now, we can get a bit more on that. Need a breather. Have a look. Ooh, 0.7 of a ton. It's getting there. Long way to go to get up to where the other two winches got to, isn't it? See what I can do. So we're only going sort of 10 centimetres there. Maybe not even that. Far out. Whew. I'll get anywhere. Yeah, ooh, nearly 900 kg. Right. A little trick to use. Wrap a bit of strap around there. Oh. So 2.5 ton ratchet straps. I can't pull as much as you think. This one's still got a fair bit of tension on it. I'm not gaining much ground here. I'll go one more time with the next ratchet and see what we get there. When I crack this off, we're going to lose a bit of tension on there. Go back close to the bottom layer. Get my slack down again. See if we can get a bit more. See if we can reach the ton mark. one more click. Oh yeah. Oh, lovely. Ooh. That's a lot of effort. Let's see how we go. What are we up to? Oh, 1.04 tonne. Whew. Well, there you go. I'd say probably more effort than the Spanish windlass and the flip-flop that I did in the last two videos. What do you reckon? Still, it works. You know, a bit of tension. Like if you were bowled and you put a snatch strap into the scenario, let's say you know, from here you had a culminating point to a snatch strap, obviously not the load cell, etc. Snatch strap off to your bogged vehicle. You know, you'd take up probably a metre or so where you get to the 1 tonne mark. It'll take a lot of effort, but you get to the 1 tonne mark, and then you'd have a fair bit of elastic in the snatch strap, which would allow you to jump in your vehicle and turn the tyres with a ton of pull, and then it obviously reduce over the next metre to nothing, but that might be enough to pull you out of the mud. So there you go. Whew. So what do you think of the ratchet strap attempt? Is there anything you do to make that better? Do you think that'd work to get you out of trouble? Is it something you think you'd try before calling a tow truck or recovery effort? If you haven't got a winch, a couple of ratchet straps lying about in the back of your car might get you out of that mud. Give it a go next time you're out there. Anyway, see you in the next video. Well, before I go, if you got something out of this, make sure you give me a like. Comment down below if you think I could have done it better, or if you think it'd work for you, or whatever. Let me know what your thoughts are, and give me a subscribe if you don't mind. That'd be really cool. Righto, see you next one. Let me turn this off. Come on, one more thing. Letting off the ratchets can be a bit tricky. I'll show you how that works. So, the thing with this setup with ratchet straps is you can't winch out with a ratchet strap. There's no backwards on these. So the best thing you can do is just crack them off, which is kind of violent. So I don't know which one I have more tension on. I think I've got a little bit more on, I don't know, I think I've got a little bit more on this one. So I'll crack this one off first, and then we'll crack this one. This one will catch everything, right? So to let them off, you just got to push them past here, hold this lever, and push it down. Takes quite a bit of force. And there you go. There's one cracked off. Now what you can do, so I'll link this in here again, what you can do, turn that over there, is take a little bit of tension on this one. Just take the slack up so it's still floppy, and then you crack the next one that's too tight. That way you don't lose too much and things don't go flying on you. Ready? Whew. Once again, I think that one's slack enough, we can probably let that off. And there you have it. Righto. Catches. Hey, 1.09.